Okay, welcome to the unboxing of the X7 long range. So you can see that. There you go. Okay, now we're talking. Let's open this up. Oh yeah. Okay, it has a handle here. Okay, so here goes nothing. Okay, we have a box within a box. Let's open this up. We have some nice foam here. I guess this is gonna be the reveal. And holy moly, here we go. Oh, yep. Yep, there you go. Oh, damn, it's huge. Nice packaging. Foamy with the shape of the board. Let's put this aside. We have some stickers here. We have a QR code. It says start here. We'll scan that. And we have a sticker package. It says Thor 400. Okay, so first impressions. The rails look good. There's a little scratch here. But I guess that's due to shipping. We have a box here. This is probably our charger. Yes, it's charger. 84 volts, 5 amps. American plug, even though I use the Europe one. Cool. And here it is. Here's the board. Damn, man, that looks good. Okay, this is the front, so I'll grab it here. Oh, man, it feels heavy. Oh, holy shit. Tire. It's probably an 8 psi or something. We can check that. So let's just take it out of the box. Oh, Jesus Christ. So there's nothing else in the box. And here you go, on the top view. That is the Funwheel X7 long range. You have Stumpy's foot pads. The grip tape is pretty clean, pretty coarse. New tire. Yep, that's new as fuck. Oh, you can tell that it has a battery on the front end because it's easier to balance with your hands. Rails look pretty good in red. Some dusting here. We have some QC stickers. This brings back some memories. And the bumpers, let's check out the bumpers. Oh my god, this board is so heavy. Okay, so these are the new bumpers, which are not bang bumpers. These are made by Fungineers, and plastic seems pretty good to the touch. Let me check with my material. It's definitely not the same material as the bang bumpers, but it probably slides just as good. Oh, okay, enough. You've seen this board before. The cable is now black, the battery harness. I'll have to check these bolts if they are tightened at all. But this board is supposed to come ready to go, so let's turn it on. Okay, that was a lot of beeps. There it is, so it's alive. There's a lot of motor resistance. I cannot move it. Let's check this foot pad. Left and right and both. I'm not going to engage it because we're going to do some checkups first before we actually get on it. We have some 3D printed fender deletes which look good. It seems ready to go. Let's do something for the sake of the video. I guess this is as safe as you can do it without doing any sort of checkup. But if it's well programmed, it should balance. There you go. It immediately goes to high duty cycle, and if I bend it backwards, it rolls backwards. So this board should be good to go. There you go, it's off. So that's it. That's a new tire for you. It works. It works flawlessly. So, ready to go. There's the charger, seems to be working, it's plugged to the board and the board is on. And there it is, it's charging, so all seems to be working fine. Cool. First ride, let's see what's up. I am excited. X7 long range, it's brand new. It's nighttime. Let's try this. A new tire sound. I miss this feeling so much, man. This motor is just incredible. You can accelerate. The board is heavy as f, but when you ride it, you barely feel that weight. It's fantastic. I'm gonna change the dune because it is very wobbly. This thing is fantastic. It's heavy as f, but it has so much more power, man. Like, look at that shit. I cannot do it on asphalt. Still, it's amazing. Okay, so I changed the tune and I also what else did I do? Oh, I lowered the tire pressure and I changed the tune and now it's riding beautifully. I think the only thing I will do is drop the nose a little bit because I think the default level calibration that it had the nose too high for me. I like to ride with my nose a little bit, you know, pointing down. Other than that, man, it rides pretty freaking fantastic. And as you can see, let me show you right there. I have the status bar. I can do this and it shows, you know, the footpad that's engaged. Right now it's flipped, but you can switch that. And if you accelerate, you get a duty cycle light bar. So if I try to push it harder, it completes. And if I brake, obviously it goes back down. And after I don't know, maybe 10-20% duty cycle, it just kills it. So yeah, man, look at this. I can carb pretty easily. Even with low PSI, I might be at something like 12 or something like that. I'll share my tune card if I figure out how to do that. So yeah, first impressions, the board is heavy as I don't want to carry it at all, but riding, you don't feel the weight riding. I mean, it has so much raw power. However, I can tell it is heavier than the standard X7. So if you want a lighter board, go for the standard X7 or maybe the high voltage X7 because maybe the 32S 1P board, it's less cells. That is 32 cells and this one is 40 cells. That's 8 cells less. So I don't know, it should weigh less. That's it. See.